Here are the key benefits. POSIX-compliant shared file storage. Amazon EFS enables you to control access to your file systems through Portable Operating System Interface, POSIX, permissions. Amazon EFS provides secure access for thousands of connections for Amazon EC2 instances and on-premises servers simultaneously, using a traditional file permissions model, file locking capabilities, and hierarchical directory structure via the NFS version 4 protocol. Scalable performance. Amazon EFS is designed to provide the throughput, IOPS, and low latency needed for Linux workloads. Throughput and IOPS scale as a file system grows and can burst to higher throughput levels for short periods of time to support the unpredictable performance needs of file workloads. For the most demanding workloads, Amazon EFS can support performance over 10 gigabytes per second and more than 500,000 IOPS. Dynamic elasticity. Since capacity is elastic, there is no provisioning storage in advance required. You simply create your file system. Amazon EFS dynamically provide the storage capacity you need, as you need it. Amazon EFS is a fully managed service. It manages the file storage infrastructure for you and provides a simple interface allowing you to create and configure file systems quickly. In seconds, you can create a fully managed file system by using the AWS Management Console, the AWS CLI, or an AWS SDK. Cost-effective. With Amazon EFS storage, you pay only for what you use. There are no minimum commitments or upfront fees. With EFS Lifecycle Management, you can automatically move files accessed less frequently to a cost-optimized storage class, reducing file storage costs by up to 92%. You can also use AWS budgets to monitor your file system costs. Security and compliance. Amazon EFS allows you to securely access your files using your existing security infrastructure. You can control network access to your file systems using Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, Amazon VPC, security group rules. And you can control application access to your file systems using AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM policies, and EFS access points. EFS access points allow you to create application-specific directory and permissions. It enforces the use of an operating system user and group, or restricting access to a directory in the file system. In addition, you can use AWS Identity and Access Management, AWS IAM policies, to enforce that specific applications use a specific access point. You can also secure your data by encrypting your data at rest and in transit. Amazon EFS satisfies many eligibility and compliance requirements to help you meet your regulatory needs.